Most photographers fail simply because they're not creative enough. And I'm not talking about creativity when it comes to art. I'm specifically talking about the other aspect of creativity. Creativity is the ability to transcend traditional ideas and come up with new ones. So as an artist, it's about coming up with new ideas. And I know most of you are gonna say the market's oversaturated. There just aren't enough jobs. There just aren't people paying what they used to for photography. So why is it that some artists make a lot and other artists starve? It's because of the fact that most artists are just unwilling to learn the business skills necessary to succeed. So as an artist, you have to understand a couple things. You're a business person, you're an entrepreneur, you're in charge of everything of your business, including the marketing, the accounting, the sales, all of it, that's on you. So as an example, one of the things I recommend to everyone is understanding your target market, understanding who your clients are. So if you're trying to photograph a wedding for $10,000, let's say, you should understand what a $10,000 bride experiences throughout the beginning to end of a session. As an example, she goes to purchase a dress. What is that experience like? What does she expect as a bride? Those are things you have to understand. How are those businesses marketing to that specific person? So studying other businesses is going to give you the ability to understand how the customers are being sold to. If you can understand that, you can get inside your customer's head. You understand how they're being marketed to, and that's something that you can adapt to your photography business. So you can set yourself apart from other photographers trying to market to those audiences with less meaningful approaches. So number two, understanding that the market is completely unforgiving. People will not evolve with the market and they're gonna lose business. They're gonna lose the ability to adapt to the marketplace and they're gonna completely go out of business. As an example, when people were creating clothing by hand, and then eventually someone created the sewing machine, that single fact made sure that a lot of folks lost their jobs. Instead of something being hand-stitched, it was a lot less, and people paid less for the garments that they were producing. But then there were these people who created bespoke suit shops and bespoke pieces and designed expensive pieces given the same techniques used before, but they were able to charge a premium. So you as a photographer, how do you articulate the value that you can bring to the table in a custom-made experience for your clients so you're not a $50 photographer? How do you articulate your value so that way you're able to charge $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 for a wedding as an example? Those are things that you need to understand as an artist. I don't want to be like everyone else. I want to create a custom experience where my clients understand the value that I'm bringing to the table. Number three is to understand this. Being a full-time photographer is not impossible, but it's very difficult because most artists can't articulate their value. If you understand how to do that, you can capitalize and make this a successful career. The idea is understanding your target market, understanding that the market moves and evolves and growing with the market instead of trying to go against it completely, and understanding that it's not impossible, but it is difficult and you need to be tenacious. Anyway, that's what I have to say for today. I figured I'd give you that information. It's not terribly difficult to understand. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, please leave those in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day.